Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best stand mixers, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best stand mixers options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which stand mixers is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart SM50TQ Stand Mixer. The Cuisinart SM50TQ Turquoise is a highly capable, budget-friendly 5.5-quart stand mixer. Featuring a robust 500-watt motor and 12 mixing speeds, it easily competes with higher-end alternatives for basic baking and whipping tasks, though heavier, continuous dough kneading can cause slight wobbling at higher speeds. The Cuisinart Precision Master SM50TQ offers a sleek die-cast metal body and a polished stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the bowl, and the included splash guard with a pour spout keeps your counters clean during messy additions. Motor. The 500-watt motor has plenty of power to handle thick batters, cookie doughs, and whipped creams without straining. Speeds. 12 distinct speed settings provide excellent precision, allowing you to go from a slow, gentle fold to high-speed whipping. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Classic Hand and Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Classic Hand and Stand Mixer is a highly versatile, budget-friendly, 2-in-1 kitchen appliance. It functions as both a lightweight hand mixer and a stationary stand mixer, making it an excellent space-saving option for casual bakers. 2-in-1 functionality. Now. The motorized hand mixer easily unlocks from the base for quick, portable mixing tasks. Shift and stir lever. Unlike premium planetary stand mixers, you manually slide a lever to move the rotating bowl side to side to ensure thorough mixing. Power output. It features a 290-watt peak power motor, which easily handles standard batters, light doughs, and whipping tasks. Speed variety includes 6 operational speeds alongside a quick burst button for an instantaneous surge of power. 4-quart. Number 3. KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer. The KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer is a premium, heavy-duty appliance designed for passionate home bakers and large batch food preparation. Massive capacity. The 7-quart stainless steel bowl handles up to 13 dozen cookies, 8.5 pounds of bread dough, or 7.5 pounds of mashed potatoes in a single batch. Commercial-grade power features a high-efficiency 1.3 horsepower motor that runs quietly while effortlessly handling dense, heavy doughs. 11 distinct speeds. Includes a unique 1/2 speed setting designed specifically for gentle folding, like adding egg whites or Sperry's, without overbeating. Bowl lift design provides maximum stability and a sturdy lever mechanism that raises the bowl into mixing position, which is preferred over tilt head models for heavy loads. 7-quart stainless steel bowl includes an ergonomic handle for easy lifting. Double flex edge beater features 2 flexible edges to scrape the sides of the bowl automatically for faster ingredient incorporation. Coated flat beater and dough hook. Heavy-duty attachments for standard mixing and effortless bread kneading. 11-wire whip maximizes airflow for fluffy whipped creams and meringue. Secure fit pouring shield helps minimize countertop mess when adding dry ingredients. Number 4. KitchenAid Artisan Mini. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5-quart is a compact, lightweight stand mixer ideal for small kitchens and small batch baking. It is 20% smaller and 25% lighter than classic full-size models, yet retains the heavy-duty metal construction and 10-speed power required for a wide variety of recipes. Capacity. 3.5-quart stainless steel bowl, which can mix up to 5 dozen cookies in a single batch. Power. Features a 250-watt motor that easily handles doughs, batters, and whipping cream. Design. Tilt head design makes adding ingredients and scraping the bowl easy. Attachments. Compatible with all classic KitchenAid hub attachments. Spiralizer, pasta roller, food grinder, etc. Pros. Its smaller footprint saves valuable counter space and its lighter weight makes it easy to move in and out of cabinets. Cons: not suitable for large families or double batches, and may vibrate slightly when mixing heavy, stiff doughs at high speeds. Number 5. Smeg SMF02. The Smeg SMF02 stand mixer is a striking 1950s retro-style appliance that blends a powerful 800-watt direct drive motor with practical everyday performance. It is beloved for its beautiful aesthetics, quiet operation, and ability to easily handle batters and doughs, making it a functional showpiece for your kitchen. Design and build. Features a sturdy die-cast aluminum body and an eye-catching vintage aesthetic available in a wide variety of glossy colors. Performance. Its 800-watt motor and planetary mixing action ensure ingredients are incorporated evenly without leaving unmixed streaks in the bowl. Speed control offers 10 variable speeds with a smooth start feature that gradually ramps up the power to prevent ingredients from splattering. Capacity includes a highly polished, generous 4.8-liter stainless steel bowl. Dough capacity. While the dough hook performs well, the motor can struggle or shake slightly if overloaded with large, heavy batches of bread dough. Speed dial. Some users find the speed control lever a bit stiff and difficult to navigate precisely.